XRP price prediction as $1 billion trading volume floods, and can XRP reach $3 in 2023? The XRP price has dropped by 0.5% in the past 24 hours, dipping to 425,301 cents amid a similar fall for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. XRP is now down by 7.5% in the past week and by 18.5% in the last 30 days, yet it has risen by 25% since the start of 2023, with the wider market so far enjoying a partial recovery this year. Encouragingly, XRP's 24-hour trading volume has topped $1 billion in the past few days, and while this has largely been led by selling, the increased liquidity could end up translating to gains in the near future. This is particularly the case when Ripple is awaiting the end of its long-running legal battle with the SEC, with many experts forecasting a positive outcome for the company, something which would boost XRP massively. XRP price prediction as $1 billion trading volume floods, and can XRP reach $3 in 2023? Following a noticeable fall earlier in the week, it now seems that XRP is consolidating around the 42-cent support level and may be ready for a recovery. Its 30-day moving average yellow has stopped falling further below the 200-day average blue and appears to have bottomed out, meaning that XRP is due a rebound. Likewise, XRP's relative strength index purple has begun rising again after dipping just below 40 early this morning, providing another sign of recovering strength. The suspicion that XRP may be in for a rally in the very near future is reinforced by the coin's trading volume, which after falling as low as $400 million around the time of the coin's most recent drop has risen to $1.1 billion. This is a good sign, since just as low volume often precedes drops, higher volumes have often provided the conditions for XRP price increases. More fundamentally, Ripple published a report earlier this week on central bank digital currencies, highlighting the key role it's likely to play in the world's future monetary system, with CBDC set to reach a global value of $213 billion by 2030. The report also highlighted the stablecoin pilots Ripple is currently undertaking with the Republic of Palau, the Central Bank of Montenegro, and the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan. This report adds to a similar report from Juniper Research, which ranked Ripple as the world's #1 CBDC vendor. Given Ripple's status in the CBDC and digital payment sector, it's more than well positioned to ride a wave of growth once its case with the SEC ends, something which is expected to happen in the coming months. Promisingly, legal experts such as attorney Jeremy Hogan have argued that the SEC has fought a pretty weak case insofar as it has failed to prove that Ripple's early sale of XRP satisfied the Howey test. At the same time, Ripple has secured a number of important rulings in recent months, including having the court uphold its motion to exclude a witness the SEC had called upon to testify that XRP buyers had a reasonable expectation of profit when they first bought the digital asset. For this reason, it's credible to expect that Ripple will gain a positive outcome and that XRP will rally significantly as a result. It could easily shoot towards $1 in the immediate aftermath of a favorable outcome, while it could then go on to surpass its current ATH of $3.40, particularly if the wider market becomes more bullish towards the end of the year. Buy XRP now, new high potential altcoin. Of course, the big problem with XRP is that holders may have to wait until the end of the year for Ripple's case with the SEC to end. In the meantime, some traders may prefer to look at other high-potential altcoins, and at the moment, few are showing as much potential as Sponge. A new ERC20 token, Sponge has enjoyed gains of well over 2,000% since listing directly on Uniswap on May 4. Bullishly, Sponge has begun receiving a growing number of CX listings, including a listing today from Bitget, which comes in addition to earlier announcements from Mex, Lbank, CoinW, and Tubit. It's also worth pointing out that Tron founder Justin Sun has announced today that he will begin actively trading meme tokens, something which raises the possibility of Sponge being more heavily traded than it already is. Indeed, it currently has more than 11,000 holders, which is an impressive number given that the coin was launched barely a week ago. Because of this momentum, it could easily rise to 1 cent and higher in the next few weeks, yet if a top-tier exchange lists it, it could potentially rocket. Buy SpongeBob today.